Welcome to Cloveo, an AI-powered content growth platform designed to help creators optimize content deployment, manage missions, track performance, and maximize engagement from a single intelligent dashboard. In this demonstration, we'll explore the platform's core features and see how Cloveo streamlines content creation and growth management. Dashboard. After logging into Cloveo, we're greeted with the terminal dashboard, which provides a real-time overview of our account and current activity. At the top, we can see our node status, mission information, and quick access to important platform features. Mission card. The highlighted mission panel displays the current deployment mission, including the suggested target community, estimated reward, and the active keyword being used. From here, users can quickly launch a new mission or continue working in the viral lab. Statistics. Just below, the dashboard presents key performance metrics, including today's yield, node ranking, active missions, and the current top-performing keyword. These insights help creators monitor their productivity and overall platform performance in real time. Charts. The yield performance section provides a visual representation of performance trends, while the active missions panel allows users to monitor ongoing tasks and review their progress whenever required. Agar Viral Lab Open Hoda Hey. Next, we navigate to the Viral Lab, where AI assists in creating optimized content strategies. This module helps users generate engaging content ideas, improve reach, and maximize audience engagement based on current trends. Post Matrix. The Post Matrix module provides a structured view of all published and scheduled content, making it easy to organize campaigns and monitor content performance across different channels. Knowledge Base. Within the knowledge base, users can access organized resources, reference materials, and AI-powered knowledge to support content creation and decision-making. Yield Vault. Finally, the Yield Vault gives users a centralized view of accumulated rewards, performance metrics, and historical data, helping them track long-term growth and overall productivity. Ending. Overall, Cloveo combines AI-driven insights, intelligent mission management, performance analytics, and streamlined content operations into a single platform. Its modern interface and automation capabilities help content creators and teams work more efficiently while maximizing growth opportunities. Thank you for taking the time to explore Cloveo. We hope this demonstration has given you a clear understanding of the platform's capabilities. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about how Cloveo can support your content growth strategy, we'd be happy to assist you.